Shirin Neshat is known for her photography and films that explore both freedom and society. She expresses political and societal changes through her powerful works of art of women, particularly in the Middle East. Her work expresses Iran's past and future, exile, and political revolution. Picasso's Guernica highlighted the atrocities Picasso witnessed during the Civil War. The mural made a strong statement against racism and conflict. It served as an image that expressed the horrors of wars. It is known as one of the most influential paintings today.